Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to be back on the floor filming this video for you guys because I'm going to tell you exactly what YouTube paid me in 2019. Got this video inspo from Natalie Barbu, but I'm excited to do this because Natalie has about 200,000 more subscribers than I do. So I wanted to bring you guys this video from a micro YouTube content creator aspect, especially because I get a lot of questions all the time about how you guys really want to start a YouTube channel and it's been your dream and you want to know how and all this stuff. And totally, like, all power to you if you want to start a YouTube channel. My best advice is to just do it. But I wanted to kind of put things into reality for you guys because what I get paid versus what Natalie gets paid is drastically different. And yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to share because why not kind of let you guys know, like, hey, when you hit around 50,000 subscribers, this is what you could be paid. So currently I have 55,000 subscribers. I hit 55 at the end of 2019, which was really exciting. In Natalie's video, she actually mentioned and hit a lot of points that are very valuable. So if you haven't watched her video yet, definitely go watch it. I can have it linked in the description box. She did hit that YouTube isn't the only way she gets paid, and that's the same thing for me. My large majority of my income comes from campaigns and brand deals that I get through my management company. So that is the majority of my income. On YouTube, just strictly get paid through AdSense and people who have YouTube Red subscriptions. And so people who watch your ads, people who click on your ads, you get paid in different ways, and then that ends up stacking up over the years. So this video is strictly just addressing my income from Google AdSense. So just basically strictly YouTube. And I did want to quickly point out before I throw numbers at you guys, I just graduated college in May. I had no intention of doing YouTube full-time, probably until like a month or two before I graduated. I was fully prepared to get a 9-to-5 job and do the damn thing. And I just kind of like had a heart-to-heart with myself and realized that that's really not who I am. And if I have an opportunity while I'm young to put my heart and soul into something that I love and see if it'll work for me, I'm gonna do it. So that's currently what I'm doing. And then I also live with my boyfriend. And so we live in a 1-bedroom apartment in Charlotte, North Carolina, and our incomes combined is what we live off of. Your CPM is your cost per million, basically what every video you produce is worth. So in 2019, my average CPM was $11.50. Also, I had no idea until it was like August. I had no idea until August you could place your own ads. I had no idea you could do that because when you do YouTube, no one's there to be your boss and to mentor you and to tell you how things are done and to tell you what to do with your videos and how to do them and what to title them or anything. You have to literally figure it out for yourself, which is kind of fun if you think about it, but also very hard and a little bit stressful sometimes and time consuming. So I watched Monica, or was it, I think I watched Shelby Church's video one day over the summer and completely realized that I was doing everything wrong. So there is a drastic change in what I was paid up from January until September, and then September through December kind of skyrocketed for me, and that's around when I moved and really knew what I was doing, which is crazy to think that I actually had no idea what I was doing. And I didn't sign with my management company until February or March of this year as well. So they helped me out a lot too. But before then, I was strictly just doing it as a hobby. I was getting paid by AdSense, but it was more of just like money to spend on clothes or whatever because I had a job in college. And yeah, I just never really took it seriously thinking that it was gonna be my job. It was more of me just doing something I loved until about April, around then. And then I realized like I could actually turn this into something bigger, and I chose to do that. Okay, so I'm sure you guys want to know what I made in 2019. I'm sorry, I just had to preface all that. But my total income in 2019 was $10,533. That was my average income. I have everything on my notepad, by the way. Took notes. But yeah, 10,000. That is not something you can live off of either, which is why I'm very thankful for my management team. That's what I made. And before September, I was pretty much making anywhere from $500 to $900 a month just through Google AdSense. And then my highest paying months were September, October, November, and December. So that's when I was making videos longer than 10 minutes so I could place my own ads, and I strategically did that so I was able to do that. And then also with that, I started uploading way more. I was uploading almost every single day for the past 4 months because I wanted my income on YouTube to increase. So that's just what I did. I started uploading every single day. and it was nice because then I could place my ads and like everything went up for me from that. For the month of September, this is when everything went up. I made $1,453. In October, I made $1,229. In November, I made $1,286, and then in December, I made $1,265. For my 4 highest paying months, I wanted to tell you guys what my highest paying videos were all of 2019. So my highest paying videos in 2019, some of them were videos I didn't even make in 2019. I made when I was literally 12. But my first one I did make in 2019, and it was how to get rid of camel toe in the gym, and I made $657.71 off of that video in all of 2019. My second video that was my highest paying was my volleyball tryout tips, which I made in high school when I played club volleyball, and that video made me $441. The third video that made me the most was how I curl my hair with my straightener. That made me $290. Fourth was which pre-workout is the best, and I went back and forth between Alani Nu Prolific and then this other pre-workout from Isagenix called Amped Nitro. That made me $276. And then the fifth most paying video was I made the one video about eating and training like Sarah's Day, and that made me $271. So in 2019, those were my highest paying videos. And then just in December alone, my highest paying videos was the camel toe video. And that video made me $136. And then the baby names I loved but won't be using video made me $114. And also the camel toe video. Those were the highest paying videos just in December alone. And then I also wanted to point out that my highest paying video over the whole course of me having my YouTube channel, and what that video has paid me over the past almost 10 years now, was my volleyball tryout tips video, and in total I've been paid $1,257.73 for that video. I just wanted to break it down and give you guys numbers and throw it out there because having a YouTube channel is really fun and all, and it's a blessing, and I'm very thankful that 12-year-old Bianca started a YouTube channel because it's given me this opportunity now that I probably would have never had. And I'd be working a 9-to-5 job, and I'm very thankful for the situation that I'm in. I still have aspirations to get to where Natalie is. I still have aspirations to get where other people are, and I just wanted to kind of bring things all together and show you what it really looks like when you have around 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and what you get paid. I'm very, very thankful for my management company, like I said, because that is a huge chunk of the reason why I can do this. But yeah, I know a lot of people were curious. I was even curious as soon as I saw she uploaded that video. I wanted to know because if I ever reach that mark one day, which I really hope I do, I wanted to know how much I could be getting paid. So my biggest advice is just start a YouTube channel if you haven't already, and if you've been thinking about it, just do it. Especially it's a new year, like why not? And two, if you are a smaller YouTuber like I am, just to keep going and just stay positive and always put positive things in, because you will get positive things out, and to never give up, because I know I can make it. I know you guys can make it. So I just wanted to kind of share those numbers with you guys. I hope you like this video. This was really highly requested, and you guys jumped on this when I asked if you wanted to see it. So I'm really glad I was able to be open and honest and share this with you guys. And if you have any other video requests, leave them down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.